Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Medion Life P15236 MD 21444 27.5 inches HD TV with triple tuner DVB-T2 HD LCD TV with LED backlight, HDMI, CI Plus, USB media player, and it comes with a color of black, if this will be a color, of course. So, this 27-inch TV with HD resolution, built-in media player and HD triple tuner to receive cable or satellite or DVB-T2 HD. Pure comfort, photo and video can enjoy. Just place it over the integrated media player in your big TV screen. The big TV screen is a 27.5 inches. Always be ready. Use cable, satellite, and the new digital area TV DVB-T2 HD with the HD tuner. Pay TV direct receive CI Plus slot. You can enjoy it with a matching module and a SmartCard encrypted TV channels like Sky or something else. Oh, the box contains. Let's open the box now and have a look what's inside. There are so many writings, papers, energy power class, instruction manuals, warranty, some cables for an extra sound bar. I think this is a YUV adapter. Yeah, there it is. What is this? These are the 4 screws, and there is the main remote with some batteries on board, and of course another 4 screws. But let's have a look what's inside next. One of the 2 feeds are there. With a plastic label on top, a cover for transportation. The product weighs 5 kilogram. Yeah. Oh, and it's a new product. It's available at 16 November 2017. It's not so old. The energy efficient class is A. The power consumption boson condition is 31 watt. Power consumption sleep is 0.45 watt. This is not a lot. And the annual energy consumption is 45 kilowatt per hour. But now there it is, the main product itself. It's the panel of this Medion TV. In this unboxing video, we will show you this awesome panel. Yeah, the physical resolution of 1366 x 768 pixels, an aspect ratio of 16:9. Wow, static contrast of 3000 to 1. Dynamic contrast is 10,000 to 1. The brightness is 220 candela per square meters. HDTV format is 720p. Oh, there are so many buttons. Standby source. Sources for switching between HDMI and cable as satellite. Channel up, channel down is clear. Volume up, volume down is clear too, isn't it? Let's have a look what's at the back side of your device. Will be the 4 places for the screws, for the wall mount. You can use this to locate it on the wall. The PC slot, PC audio in slot, and the SCART slot. Oh yeah, this is for old consoles or old VHS cassettes. LNB in is for satellite and RF. I don't know about RF. I think HDMI is for consoles like Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, or Blu-ray players. There is the next tab is coaxial coax out. This is for cable, of course. CI Plus is the module for your Sky device, pay TV. On the right side there is an USB slot, and of course on the right side there is another slot for your headphones. And this, a little tip on the screen, is the sound of this device is not so brilliant. We will use this headphone jack to use an external audio box for this, and this will rise up the sound of this machine. And it's not so expensive because the TV is not expensive, and the audio box is not so expensive. And it's after this is a good, brilliant sound. In the device settings, it's not a good sound. So let's do a sampling of the feed. There's so many arrows dran. Arrow means this is the front side, I think, or it's the back side. Let's have a look. We will see the data, but I see there is a nipple, and we have to assemble this next. Okay, let's have a look. The nipple is on the left. No, this is the right side of the device. And you have to look, there is an R and an L for right and left. And if you contain this, push it in position and then use 2 screws to tighten this two feeds on the downside of this device. There it comes, some screws, and let's assemble now. The repeating time, this is the one feed. The one feed is shown the arrow to the front side of your device, so we have to rotate it upside down, then push it in position, and then use the 2 screws to lock this feed on the right direction, of course. So slide in position and then rotate it by screwdriver and tighten it easily. This is not so easy with only one hand, but you have 2 hands, so it's easy for you at home, of course. So tighten it not so hard because it's plastic, okay? Think about that. It's plastic. Plastic is not so heavy and strong, so use only a little bit until the feet are tightened enough. So in this case, it's example for the right. You can do this on the left feet again, and then good job, easy going. And we have so many fun with this device. As you can see, the left side is already assembled, and now let's have a look to the assembled product itself. There it is, Medion TV, and it comes with a width standard for wall mounts 200 x 100 millimeters. And now let's assemble the remote, of course. First step, unbox it, then use the 2 batteries to make the power supply on. Check the battery on plus and minus side, then push it in position and job's done. And here you can see the remote options. Good. Let's assemble it now. Slide down the battery case a little bit, the battery case cover, of course, and then there, take care. Plus is not this side. This side is plus. Plus comes not where the springs will be. So minus pole at the spring, push it in position, minus pole at the spring, then push it in position and the power supply accept. Good job. Now push back the battery case in position, and as you can see, the remote is working well. So good job, easy going. There is a plug, energy plug, and there it is. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Thank you. Soon. Oh yeah.